When agencies, technologies, and teams aren't connected, decisions slow down and risks escalate.
I'm Chrissy Coffey, president of MutualLink. Let me introduce you to the next generation Go Kit.
MutualLink's Go Kit brings radios, video sensors, and data into one secure, seamless experience from anywhere on any device. Agencies can share intelligence in real time, coordinate resources instantly, and automate critical workflows. With the Go Kit, you get portable plug-and-play connectivity built for the field where you need it the most. You can securely share live video feeds from drones, cameras, and connected devices, delivering unprecedented situational awareness. Before disaster hits, the Go Kit ensures your teams are seamlessly connected for vital preparation. It facilitates secure voice and data transmissions, enabling precise coordination of evacuation routes, resource staging, and personnel deployment. Its rapid deployment capabilities mean you can establish reliable communication networks in vulnerable areas, even before traditional infrastructure becomes compromised, giving you a critical head start.